We are really pleased to tell you that Biotechnika Infolabs Private Limited and Wuhan ElabScience Biotechnology Company Limited entered into a treaty to provide aid in immunodiagnostic technology for the bioscience community. This convention intends to amplify the reach of lab science products and services in the Indian research market as well as abroad. Wuhan ElabScience Biotechnology Company Limited holds a strong pillar in R&D and manufacturing immunodiagnostic products in USA and Wuhan, China. Why this was needed? The Indian research market needs to be revolutionized in order to make the research process facile and pursuable by the mass. Till date, traditional methods are being followed to meet the research demands. Indian researchers struggle to get world-class chemicals and products to compete for optimum research results. A major setback for researchers is to meet and match the high level of research and availability of standard quality and experiment-specific products. The research population of India is devoid of this flexibility of choosing the right reagent or instrument on their own as per their requirement by comparing the options available both in terms of price and quality. How this collaboration is going to help the research community? Under this collaboration, Biotechnika along with ElabScience strives to change the entire concept of scattered ordering of research products by streamlining the whole process of procuring the best quality research products at genuine prices. In just a few clicks, researchers can find the exact product according to their research area like clonality, species reactivity, etc. Biotechnika Prime is an initiative to streamline the flow and optimize the effort behind procuring products in need. Biotechnika portrays a stage where various reagent manufacturers display their range of products in conjunction with price listing. Comparative prices for every product with respective brands associated with the manufacturing are listed. Biotechnika Prime is price comparison portal which intends to transform the way lab supplies are ordered and purchased. Biotechnika Prime thrives to give this luxury to the researchers and offers its members lucrative advantages on every purchase from Biotechnika labs. While Wuhan ElabScience Biotechnology Company Limited has its base in high-tech development area, Wuhan, Hubei, China and Houston, Texas, USA. ElabScience is the leading manufacturer in immunodiagnostic technology. They have a complete platform for R&D, production and in-house quality control for every product. ElabScience major products cover recombinant proteins, peptides, flow cytometry antibodies, ELISA kits, CLIA kits, labeling kits, biochemical kits, IHC kits, other reagents, GICA kits, chromatic media and cell line. Through Biotechnika, the researchers can customize the antibodies available with ElabSciences. Moreover, can take advantage of ElabSciences custom services for protein expression and purification service, cell biology service, molecular biology service, and whole research project solutions. To check out the various products and deals according to the categories on Biotechnika Prime, visit labs.biotechnika.org. Stop floating for tenders, stop waiting for vendors. Order your lab requirements online at Biotechnika Prime because your research is our responsibility.